Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a stand for your Lego figures. I'm going to take basically all the stuff is from Jurassic World, the Giant Mansion. You're going to take this part from the mansion from one of your windows. You're going to click in one of these glass pieces just like that and you're done. But then you're going to flip it that way. So the glass is facing like where you guys can see me. So the glass, like, see it. Right here, the glass is like the camera. See my fingers going through? You want that to be like this. Because then you're going to put this right there. You're going to have this little mat with a place to put Lego people on. You're going to put it right here. You can make this shorter just doing that, but I'm making it tall. There. I have this Jurassic Park minifigure. I'm going to put a girl hair on it. It's a custom guard. The weird face. We're going to put it on here. Stand. It's a little stand. On YouTube videos, you can do a close-up and you can go on the stand. It's really cool. So thank you all for watching. Hope you have a good time. Please comment, like, and turn on notifications. Oh, and subscribe. Now, bye.